So this poster is supposed to be a rectangle. There we go, nice perfect rectangle. And then there's going to be the print area in here, but there's going to be margins as well. So let's see, 4 inches at the top and the bottom. So leave 4 inches at the top and the bottom. Whoops, 4 inches. And then 2 inches margin on each side. And then this is where the picture or the words or whatever, that's the print area in the middle right there. And that needs to be 50 square inches. So now what we have to do is find the dimensions. So this length down here, I don't know what it is, so I'll just call it X. And also this vertical length right here, I don't know what that is, so I'll call it Y. And because X and Y define this print area, then I know X times Y has to equal 50. Now, the amount of paper used, so that means the whole thing. Well, for the whole thing, this side down here, well, it would have X in the middle plus 2 on that side and 2 on that side. So it would actually be X plus a 2 and a 2, or X plus 4. For this vertical length, there's going to be Y plus 4 plus 4. So it's going to be Y plus 8. So the amount of paper, I'm going to call it P for paper, equals, multiply these two, X plus 4 times Y plus 8. This is called the auxiliary equation, and this is called the main equation. The main equation is the one we're going to be doing calculus, or the derivative. Auxiliary, we're just doing algebra. And the algebra that we're going to do is solve for Y. So you could divide both sides by X, and Y is equal to 50 divided by X. We can now take that and substitute it in for this Y over here. So P is now equal to X plus 4. Replace the Y with 50 over X. And now we have a function that's a function of X. So we need to take the derivative and then do algebra, or we could do algebra and then derivative. I think I'm going to do algebra first. So go ahead and multiply this out. So when you multiply these two, the x's are going to cancel. It leaves just 50. And then distribute, and this is going to be 8x. Now distribute the 4, and 4 times 50 is going to be 200. So that's going to be 200 over x. And last, there's going to be 4 times 8, which is 32. Now usually I would combine like terms, but I'm going to take the derivative, and the derivative of constants are 0, so it doesn't even matter if I combine them. The derivative will still be 0. So the derivative of that's 0. The derivative of this is just an 8. And this, I would look at it like 1 over x, and the derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. And the 200 will just sit there patiently waiting while you take the derivative. Now set the derivative equal to 0. And the derivative would be undefined if x equals 0. But if x equals 0, that means the dimensions of the poster would be 0 for x. That means you don't have a poster. So that's not a good solution. Then find a positive solution. So you could add 200 over x squared to both sides. Now it equals 8. Then you could multiply by x squared, it'll put it on this side. Divide by 8, it'll put it on this side. Or in other words, these two can trade places. Then take the square root. And we only need the positive square root. So what is the square root of a 200? Hey, didn't get the 2. 200 divided by 8. Oh, nice. It's exactly 5. So x equals 5, and the units are inches. Finally, find out what y equals. So substitute the 5 right here. So y will be 50 divided by 5. So there are the dimensions. Ooh, wait a second. That's the dimensions of the inside part. We actually need to find the outside part. So this is the inside part. Now we need for the whole poster. Let's see, x plus 4, that means it's 9 inches. And then y plus 8. So 10 plus 8, they tell me that that is 18. So the whole poster is 9 inches by 18 inches.